Today we will play Dandruff World after posting a video like 15 hours ago. Oh, I love this record. Lunch. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, Baldicus. By the way, I might become a dancer. I might become a Gravity Falls and Dandy's World YouTuber. Like Dandy's Fall. Oh, I have so much ichor. Should I buy? I'm gonna buy a bandage and play as Shalisha Shellifer. Cheese it time. Shout out to Ed Roy, Angel DX2, or Distractor 2 time. Astro Groom, Summer Cat 44, Astro, Cosplayer. That's it. Not you. Oh wait, I already did. I'm just reminding these stupid morons who don't have any brains. No one's saying hi. Oh. 2 people saying hi. Cosplayer and Ginger and Sprout. Oh. I have 2 bandages. What do I do if you see a dog doing a macarons? Open that again. I once inhaled the Bermuda Triangle. How bad can I be? I just swallowed Although 2 gallons of someone's pee. What am I on about? Oh no, thanks orange, hello. Yes, I am the type of Shelly who would literally say, you can do this, girl. When someone's running to the elevator at 5 seconds left. Not enough tape. Oh no, I'm so angry. I don't have enough tapes. Why don't I have enough tapes? I was like in the last one. What did they do to him? What did they do to him? He runs like he's a Teletubby on his final moments of life. Only 47 tapes. Okay. Oh my. Oh! Is that a 24 karat cola boo boo? Why are you so fast? My art! I loved her! Gorgeous! I got me Wawa. Wawa! What's up, Woody? Wawa! New Wawa coffee. Get now. I think this thing is illegal for me. I'm gonna end it here, so goodbye.